Hello, welcome to my channel. Intermediate second year, Maths 2A, Chapter 2, De Moivre's Theorem. In the previous exercise, I have solved the problems of the exercise 2A. Now, let's begin with the exercise 2B of the chapter. First Roman, first bit, first question. Given 1 minus I root 3 to the power 1 by 3. Now, let x is equals to 1 minus I root 3 to the power 1 by 3. From this, consider z, which is equals to 1 minus I root 3. Now from this, point P is 1 comma minus root 3, right? X comma y 1 comma minus root 3. This is x is positive, y is negative, therefore this lies in the fourth quadrant. As this lies in the fourth quadrant, the angle is a negative acute angle. Then r, modulus of z, which is x square plus y square 1 square plus root 3 whole square, which is equals to root 1 plus 3 equals to 4, which is equals to 2. Tan inverse of y by x is nothing but theta, right? So theta is equals to tan inverse of minus root 3 by 1, which is minus tan inverse root 3, which is nothing but theta is equals to minus pi by 3. So this is the angle, because tan inverse root 3 is pi by 3, minus tan inverse root 3 is minus pi by 3, right? Now I am writing the modulus amplitude form, which is z is equals to r cos theta plus I sin theta, right? What is z I have considered? 1 minus I root 3, which is equals to r is 2 cos of minus pi by 3 plus I sin minus pi by 3. Am I right? Then what we will do is, we will raise this to the power 1 by 3, right? Because x is nothing but 1 minus I root 3 to the power 1 by 3. Therefore, we will raise it to the power 1 by 3. If I raise this to the power 1 by 3, I get 1 minus root 3i 1 to the by 3 to the power 1 by 3, which will be equals to 2 to the power 1 by 3 cos, when we raise the power which is in a radical form, that is 1 by 3 or something like that, then we will add 2k pi to the value of theta. So what I have, theta cos minus pi by 3. I am adding here 2k pi. So 2k pi minus pi by 3 will be here in place of pi by 3, plus I sin 2k pi minus pi by 3. Then I will raise it to the power 1 by 3. While raising, you have to add 2k pi. Then what I get here, this is x, so x is equals to 2 to the power 1 by 3. If I raise it to the power 1 by 3, then I have to multiply here, right? 2k pi, I'll multiply 1 by 3. Now what I get, x is equals to 2 to the power 1 by 3 cos, when I multiply this, I will get it as, if I multiply here, I have to take LCM here and then I have to multiply. So to avoid that, I will not multiply, I'll directly consider these values only. Then I will solve by taking the value of the k. So now power, so what is the power we raised to 1 by 3? So therefore we have to consider the value of k, 3 values of k, that is from 0. So it will be 0, 1 and 2. 3 values for k we will consider and solve this. So what we get, x is equals to, when k is equals to 0, x is equals to 2 to the power 1 by 3 cos 2k pi. So 2 into 0 is 0, right? So what will be left, minus pi by 3 into 1 by 3 plus I sine k is again 0, so we will be left with minus pi by 3 into 1 by 3. 2 to the power 1 by 3 cos minus pi by 9 plus I sine minus pi by 9. Therefore we are writing it in the form of cis 2 1 by 3 is also there, so 2 1 by 3 cis of minus pi by 9. We know when it is cos theta plus I sin theta, we can write it in cis theta form. So theta is minus pi by 9, so I have written it as cis minus pi by 9. Before this we have 2 to the power 1 by 3, so 2 to the power 1 by 3 cis minus pi by 9. Then we'll solve for k is equals to 1. If k is equals to 1, then x will be equals to the power 1 by 3 cos 2 into k value is 1. So we are multiplying with 2 1. So 2 1s are 2. 2 pi minus pi by 3 we will get, which is nothing but, I'll write here first, 2 pi minus pi by 3 into 1 by 3, which is equals to, here we have to take LCM, so cos 3 2s are 6, so 6 pi minus pi by 3 into 1 by 3 plus I sine 6 pi minus pi by 3 into 1 by 3, which will be equals to 2 to the power 1 by 3 cos 5 pi by 9, 3 3s are 9, plus I sine 5 pi by 9. Writing it in the form of cis theta, 2 to the power 1 by 3 cis 5 pi by 9. This is the value of x when k is equals to 1. Now one more we have to find for k is equals to 2. So when k is equals to 2, x will be equals to 2 to the power 1 by 3 cos 4 pi minus pi by 3 plus I sine 4 pi minus pi by 3, which will be equals to 2 to the power 1 by 3 cos 4 3s are 12, so 12 pi I have been multiplied here 1 by 3, 3 4s are 12, so 12 pi minus pi is 11 pi by 3 into 1 by 3 we will get, plus I sine 11 pi by 3, so we get to the power 1 by 3 cos 11 pi by 9 plus I sine 11 pi by 9, which is nothing but x is equals to 2 to the power 1 by 3 cis 11 pi by 9. Therefore x is equals to 2 to the power 1 by 3 cis of minus pi by 9, 2 to the power 1 by 3 cis 5 pi by 9, 2 to the power 1 by 3 cis 11 pi by 9. So this is the final answer. Second question, given minus I to the power 1 by 6, for this you have to find the value. So let x equals to minus I to the power 1 by 6 will consider. This means that the real term is 0. Real part of the complex number is 0. Therefore what we get the point P as 0 comma minus 1. Now this 0 comma minus 1 lies on which axis? Negative y axis, right? So if the point is on a positive direction of x-axis, this is this direction, then the angle made is 0. If it is positive direction of the y-axis, then the angle made is 90 degree. If the point lies in the direction of negative x-axis, then the angle is 180 degrees, and if it is lying on the negative y-axis, then the angle is minus 90 degrees. So this point 0, minus 1 lies on the negative y-axis, therefore theta is equals to minus pi by 2. Okay, directly you can write, and p is this, theta is this. Now we will remove r, which is equals to root of 0 plus 1, which is root 1, which is equals to 1. Therefore now I am writing the modulus amplitude form, which is equals to z equals to r cos theta plus I sin theta. R is equals to 1. What is the value of z? Z is nothing but minus I, right? So the value of z is minus I, you will write is equals to r, that is 1, cos theta is minus pi by 2 plus I sin minus pi by 2. Okay, this is nothing but what? Minus I is equals to cos minus pi by 2 plus I sin minus pi by 2. Now we will raise this to the power 1 by 6. So we get it as minus I to the power 1 by 6, which is x, equals to, while raising it to the power 1 by 6, we will add 2k pi. So cos 2k pi minus pi by 2 plus I sin 2k pi minus pi by 2, raising to the power 1 by 6. Now what we get? I to the power 1 by minus I to the power 1 by 6, which is equals to cos 2k pi minus pi by 2 into 1 by 6 plus I sin 2k pi minus pi by 2 into 1 by 6. This is nothing but x. We have considered in the beginning. This is x. X is equals to, if I remove the LCM of this, I will get 4k pi. So 4k pi minus pi by 2 into 1 by 6 plus, similarly I will get here the same, I sin 4k pi minus pi by 2 into 1 by 6, right? Now what I will do is I will multiply this 2 and 6. So I will get x is equals to cos 4k pi minus pi by 12, right? Plus I sin 4k pi minus pi by 12. Further we cannot do anything here, so this will be the form of x which we will get. Now the power here is 1 by 6. We have raised to the power 1 by 6. Therefore, how many value of k we should consider? K, 6 values have to consider. So if I consider k 6 values, that is from 0, I get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 values from 0 to 5, that is. Therefore, we have to, when z is equals to, k is equals to 0, x will be equals to cos of 4k pi. So 4 into 0 is 0. So cos of minus pi by 12 you will get. So cos minus pi by 12 plus I sin minus pi by 12, which is equals to cis of minus pi by 12, right? Then when k is equals to 1, okay, so what you will get here? X is equals to cos 4 into 1 is 4, so 4 pi minus pi by 12, which is equals to 3 pi by 12 plus I sin again 3 pi by 12, which is equals to cis 3 pi by 12. If you want, you can cancel here and make it as pi by 4, because 3 here and 12 can be cancelled here. Now if k is equals to 2, what we will get? X is equals to cos 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8, so 8 pi minus pi by 12. That is nothing but 7 pi by 12. So cos of 7 pi by 12 plus I sine 7 pi by 12, which is equals to 7 pi by 12. Right? Now when k is equals to 3, x is equals to, so if k is 3, 4 3s are 12, so 12 pi minus pi, which is equals to 11 pi by 12, is equals to 3. We get x is equals to cos 11 pi by 12 plus I sine 11 pi by 12, which is equals to cis 11 pi by 12. Then we will consider k is equals to 4. If k is equals to 4, x will be equals to what? Cos 4 4s are 16, so 16 pi minus pi, 15 pi by 12, right? So cos of 15 pi by 12 plus I sine 15 pi by 12, which is equals to cis 15 pi by 12. Now we will consider k is equals to 5. So if k is equals to 5, x will be equals to cos of, when k is equals to 5, x will be equals to cos 4 5s are 20, so 20 pi minus pi, 19 pi by 12 plus I sine 19 pi by 12, which is equals to cis 19 pi by 12, right? Therefore we get x as cis, when k was 0, we got cis is equals to minus pi by 12. So cis minus pi by 12, comma cis 3 pi by 12, comma cis 7 pi by 12, comma cis 11 pi by 12, comma cis 15 pi by 12, then cis 19 pi by 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 values we have got for x. If you want, you can cancel this and write. Done. Now we will solve the third one. So you have been given, you have to find the value of 1 plus I to the power 2 by 3. So I have considered x to be 1 plus I to the power 2 by 3. Therefore z is equals to 1 plus I, right? From this, if we remove the points, p will be what? 1 comma 1. Both of them are positive, therefore both of these points lies in the first quadrant. If these points lie in the first quadrant, the angle is a positive acute angle, right? Therefore r is root of 1 square plus 1 square, which is root 1 plus 1, which is equals to root 2, and theta is equals to tan inverse of 1 by 1, which is equals to theta is equals to tan inverse 1. Therefore theta is equals to pi by 4, a positive acute angle, isn't it? Then and we'll write the modulus amplitude form. Z is equals to r cos theta plus I sin theta. We have the value of r as root 2. Cos theta is nothing but pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. That is what? 1 plus I. Now if you observe the question, 1 plus I is raised to the power 2 by 3. First what we will do is, we will raise this to the power 2. Solve that, and then we will raise it to the power 1 by 3. Okay. So I'm raising it to the power 2. If I do so, what I get here is 1 by I whole square will be equals to root 2 whole square cos pi by 4 plus I sine pi by 4 to the power 2. Now this root and square get cancelled. You get 2 into cos 2 pi by 4. We will multiply this power with theta. So I sine 2 pi by 4. Then you will get the final as 2 cos pi by 2 plus I sine pi by 2. Because you can cancel here, no, 2 and 4. That's the reason. Then after this, as in the question, the complex number given is raised to the power 2 by 3. We have raised it to the power 2 now. Now what we will do is, we will raise this to the power 1 by 3. So if we raise, what we'll get? 1 plus I to the power 2 by 3 will be equals to 2 to the power 1 by 3 I am raising, right? Cos 2k pi plus pi by 2 plus I sine 2k pi plus pi by 2. Now this is being raised to the power 1 by 3. I'll get like this. Understood? First we raise it to the power 2, solved it. Then the answer which we have got, we were raising that to the power 1 by 3. If we raise to the power 1 by 3, I'll get 1 plus I to the power 2 by 3, which we need to find, which is equals to x. Right? Therefore, x will be equals to what? 2 to the power 1 by 3 cos. You can take LCM here. 4k pi plus pi by 2 into 1 by 3. It's up to you if you want to do it by taking LCM or not. It's your wish. 4k pi plus pi by 2 into 1 by 3. Now x will be equals to 2 to the power 1 by 3 cos 4k pi plus pi by 2 3s are 6 plus I sine 4k pi plus pi by 6. Right? Now it's raised to the power 1 by 3. So we will consider 3 values for k, that is from 0. So we will get 0, 1 and 2. 3 values. Therefore, when k is equals to 0, we get x is equals to what? 2 to the power 1 by 3 cos k is 0. So 4 pi will become 0, right? So cos pi by 6 I will get. Cos pi by 6 plus I sine pi by 6, which is equals to 2 to the power 1 by 3 cis pi by 6. Sorry, 5 pi by 6. Then when k is equals to 1, x will be equals to 2 to the power 1 by 3 cos 4 ones are 4. So 4 pi plus pi is nothing but 5 pi. So we'll get 5 pi by 6 plus I sine 5 pi by 6, which is equals to 2 to the power 1 by 3 cis 5 pi by 6. Now we will consider k is equals to 2. So if k is equals to 2, x will be equals to 2 to the power 1 by 3 cos. If k is 2, 4 2s are 8. So 8 pi plus pi, 7 pi by 6 you will get. 8 plus pi is 9 pi by 6 you will get. So here you will be having 9 pi by 6. If you want, you can cancel, not needed. I sine 9 pi by 6, which is equals to 2 to the power 1 by 3 cis 9 pi by 6. Okay. Therefore, x is equals to, first we have got the value 2 to the power 1 by 3 cis pi by 6, 5 pi by 6. Then 2 to the power 1 by 3 cis 5 pi by 6. Then 2 to the power 1 by 3 cis 9 pi by 6. So this is the final answer.